With immense pride and joy, we welcome you all to Elevate 2026.
The first annual conference of the Princeton Foundation for Peace and Learning.
My name is Vasushri Prasad, and I'm a third year English major from St. Stephen's College.
And I am Yanshi Vyas, pursuing multidisciplinary studies in my second year at Miranda House.
Together, we are deeply honored to stand before you today as the organizing secretaries of this conference. Addressing such a distinguished gathering and witnessing months of collective endeavor come to life gives us immense pleasure and hope.
Welcome once again to this celebration of vision, collaboration, and the shared pursuit of learning, growth, and development.
To begin this auspicious afternoon on a note of grace and reverence, we now move to the ceremonial lighting of the lamp.
A tradition that marks the beginning of a journey guided by wisdom and collective purpose.
May we now request our esteemed guest of the day, Dr. Naresh Sihan and Sri Bharat Lal, along with the members of Board of Advisors and Board of Directors and our distinguished dignitaries to kindly join us on stage for the lamp lighting ceremony as we formally inaugurate Elevate 2026 and seek blessings for meaningful dialogue and collaboration ahead.
Adding to this sacred beginning, we now invite the musical choir to present our Saraswati Vanna, seeking the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, the embodiment of knowledge, art, and wisdom. The performance will be led by Arushi Aryan, along with the talented performers Pavani Joshi, Maria Teresa George, Yagya Achintya Tripathi, and Annapurna Bharti.
We may request the choir to kindly take the positions and begin the invocation.
कत्ता धागड़ धिन्ना धिन धिन धागड़ तूना कत्ता धागड़ धिन्ना धिन धिन धागड़ तूना कत्ता धागड़ धिन्ना धा धागड़ धिन्ना धा धागड़ धिन्ना धा तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल में विराजे हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे मिटा दे तू मन के अंधेरे हमारे मिटा दे तू मन के अंधेरे हमारे उजालों का हमको तू संसार दे माँ हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ
Thank you.